Welcome to Shree Equipment's manufacturer and supplier of their compressors, receivers, filters, and industrial heat exchangers. The company was established in the year 2001. We are equipped with high-tech machines and customized packaging solutions. Technically advanced R&D wing, quality management system and effective after-sales services help us to attain an enviable position in the industry. We offer a huge gamut of air dryers, compressor, and activated alumina. Air dryers offered by us are well known for their impeccable performance. We are instrumental in offering a wide array of their filters that are a class apart. We also provide air compressor and receivers that are cost-effective. Our activated alumina is reckoned all over the world for its superb quality. To know more about us, please visit our website www.yanthra compressors.com.